Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Copper Test Strips. What is AquaChek Copper Test Strips? AquaChek's Copper Test Strips provide pool owners with an easy, effective way to test for total copper content, which if too high can create problems such as staining, water discoloration, and corrosion. Once inserted into water, AquaChek Copper will produce you with a quick, accurate reading of copper levels in your system, which if too high can then be eliminated by many different water treatments. Product benefits: fast, simple, safe, and accurate. Just dip and wait 15 seconds. Ideal for use with copper-based mineral purification systems. Usage directions. Step 1. Remove one strip from bottle and replace cap. Step 2. Dip strip into water, moving strip back and forth for 5 seconds, then remove. For heated water samples above 85 degrees, dip strip into water for 1 second and remove immediately. Step 3. Hold strip level for 60 seconds. Step 4. Compare copper test pad to color chart above. Estimate results if color on test pad falls between two color blocks. Additional information. The presence of iron at levels of greater than 0.5 ppm may result in elevated copper readings. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.